Good? So, oh my
Go
god.
in this way.
I know,
Okay,
right?
can I get a small of that? And that'll be
Right. Guys, everything here looks so good. We don't know. Me know. But me not decide what I want exactly. Oh, Jesus Christ, we need help. So this is dessert for us. Birthday dessert.